Who are these people who perform the audit? Sino ba ito sila? Okay? Ito ho yung mga medical auditors or medical evaluators. These are doctors, okay, na nasa regional offices ng PhilHealth. A lot of them are general practitioners and a small percentage, so these are specialists who prefer to work at PhilHealth. So, ilan ba sila? Okay. So, dati sa fee-for-service, tumatagal ho yung bayad ninyo dahil wala hong doktor. May doktor, then nawawala, nagre-resign. Okay? Dahil sa fee-for-service, review muna bago bayad. Now, nung pumasok ho yung all-case rate, okay? All-case rate is submit ninyo, bayad muna. Then, follow na yung pag-review ng claim. Yan ho yung design. Except, nagbago lahat noong 2018-2019, bumalik ho or pinasok ho yung pre-payment review, yung CF4. So ngayon, yung CF4 ho ngayon, specific lang ho yan sa mga illnesses. Hindi ho yan sa lahat. So basically, pag submit ninyo, kapag nasa listahan ho ito ng mga favorite illnesses ni PhilHealth, meron hong CF4 review. Okay? So, done by the medical evaluator. Each region has a specific number. Okay? Kung wala ho kayong medical evaluator, tatagal ho yung claim ninyo, hindi ho yan mababayaran. So, kaya alamin ninyo kung ilan yung medical evaluator ninyo dyan sa region ninyo. Okay? Dahil paiba-iba ho yan. May small region, may big region. During my time, I had at least 4 medical evaluator under me. Okay? So, very simple, yung task and responsibilities nila is basically to review the claim, to check the integrity, to check the compliance, okay? To see if everything is at par with standards. Okay? Yan ho yung role nila. So, basically, binabasa ho nila. Again, no? They want, at the end of the day, everybody wants a simple life. They want to go home early. So, they are going to read it very, very fast. Okay? So, meron din mga skills itong mga doktor na ganyan. Okay? So, aside from the skills and responsibilities, okay, just to highlight, meron din silang role sa healthcare system. Ang role ho nila, okay, is that they guarantee the quality, they guarantee provision of quality care. Kasi binabasa eh. So, hindi ho ito basta-basta lang. Now,